so pretty.
Let's hit the road. Okay guys, so we're on our way now. I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? Haven't decided yet, so.
So what's our primary objective today?
Just get out of the house, go check out some nature. It's too cold as usual.
I'm a little bit underdressed.
It will get warm. I don't see a waterfall. Shannon Falls. Shannon was a fail. Let's go check out Brandy.
It sounds like you're cheating.
Waterfall. Try not to fall in. Brandywine was successful. That was beautiful. Nobody on the trail. Had the best time. Okay, what's next though? Pemberton?
Pemberton, yeah.
Decided to come to a sunflower maze.
Guess whose idea that was?
Got our tickets online just on the way here. It's like another half-hour drive and we're at the maze. almost. I think the easiest way is to just go around it. Okay, we didn't make it out, but we did make it back, so I'll count that as a win. Where to next?
Do you go to Narin Falls, maybe?
Oh yeah, that was on the way.
Yeah.
Narin Falls it is. Third waterfall of the day. I don't know if anything's gonna top that second one though. And the first one didn't even exist.
But the second one's sick though, so.
Hair check. Hair's looking good. As always. Someone just gave me a compliment on the hair, so pass the check there too. So this is Narin Falls. Being brave. No hiking boots.
I'm a seasoned hiker. I don't need hiking boots.
You need boots.
Watch me eat shit.
Made it to the top. That took about like 20 minutes. Not too long. It is hot. Too hot to stay there. So going back down, maybe check out the water. Be out. That water was really nice. Much cooler down there too. It's time to go to our next destination. Okay, that hike not worth it. You don't even need a microwave.
Ew.
It's already microwaved in the car.
Say that. So busy today. Want to be close to the water?
I don't mind.
Yeah. I mean, obviously still a bit muddy. Just on the water?
Yeah, Alta Lake, beautiful, but super busy.
I want to film you failing at this.
Behind us.
What's that pop of this vlog? He parked kind of like a douchebag. No, I was kidding. He did it almost.
Yeah, baby, I got this. Okay, I think it's time to call it a day. We're pretty tired. We had a pretty nice day. Saw 3 waterfalls. But almost the first one doesn't count. Yeah, that's the end of it. We had a nice day. It was amazing. See you till the next one.